First, I want to thank you for being interested in the Math Activity University course. I'm very excited that you have made it to this point. My name is Asia, and I created this course for math teachers who want to learn how to create digital and printable activities. So, here's a little peek inside. So, once you open Math Activity University, the first thing that students need to do is start right here. This is like the onboarding process. So, there will be a campus tour just to introduce you to the platform. Then there will be a video where I have a special message for you. And one of my favorite parts of the entire course is the handbook. So you'll download that here. So to download any files, they'll be over to the right. I'm just going to open this up. Okay, so here's a preview of the handbook that you will receive. So it gives you a course outline with a suggested pacing, and then everything I teach you in the videos is also in this handbook. So that's just a little sneak peek. And you also have homework with each module. Okay. One of the benefits of being a member is that we have a private Facebook group. So in the private Facebook group, you'll get to join other math teachers who are also members of Math Activity University and just build an entire community around math activity creation. Also, we will be having challenges regularly where you can be entered to win some cool prizes in the Facebook group. Okay, so once you're ready to dive in, you'll start with Module 1, which is all the basics of PowerPoint. Module 2 is where we will look at all the basics regarding math in PowerPoint. I'll teach you how to make clip art and use the equation editor. And then we'll look at fonts and how to install fonts and clip art and backgrounds into your activities. And then starting with Module 5, you will dive into the actual activity creation. I will start each module with a little introduction to tell you some suggested uses for each type of activity, and then show you how to create a template. So let me just give you an idea of what this looks like. Okay, so each module has like 4 to 6 lessons in each. And if you'll notice, these videos are fairly short, just bite-sized pieces of me walking you through each step along the way. And I teach you how to build from scratch. So we always start with a template, and I'll show you how to start with a blank page. As you can see the little previews here, we start from a blank page, and then we end up with our activity. In addition to showing you how to use or how to create the activities, I will also provide templates. So we have a library at the end here where I have included the templates for you. You'll see me make them, and then I'll also give them to you. You'll be able to download some fonts for free, and you'll have access to some math clip art. In addition to the video lessons from me, you will have access to bonuses. You will learn how to create boom cards, puzzle pixel art, and a Desmos activity too. And this is growing. This is growing. This is not it. Okay, this is only the beginning. I hope you will join me on this journey. I hope to see you inside.